this video, I will show you how a landing page can increase your e-commerce product sales with Shopify. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on future e-commerce tips like this one. Let's begin by understanding what makes Shopify landing page so special. These pages are purpose-built to achieve specific objectives, whether it's promoting a unique product, running targeted campaigns, or generating leads. Unlike regular Shopify store pages, landing pages allow you to focus your visitors' attention and guide them towards taking the desired action. Product pages are the bread and butter of any e-commerce store, where you showcase your products, provide detailed description, and encourage visitors to make a purchase. On the other hand, landing pages are purpose-built pages that direct visitors toward a specific action. Product pages serve as the backbone of your store. Its sole purpose is to highlight every details about the product, like the product name, images, description, review, and provide a comprehensive shopping experience. Landing pages are laser-focused, streamlined experience that eliminate distraction and guide visitors towards taking a specific action, increasing the likelihood of conversion. Imagine running a targeted ad campaign on platforms like Facebook or Google. Rather than directing visitors to a generic product page, you can create a captivating landing page tailored specifically to the ad campaign. This landing page acts as a seamless extension of your ad, ensuring visitors have a cohesive experience and a clear call to action. You can also use a landing page when you are preparing for a holiday campaign. Instead of simply creating a product page for a special bundle, you can craft a captivating landing page dedicated specifically to showcasing and explaining your irresistible offer. Other examples are social media and email list campaign. Landing pages shine when you want to drive conversions through sales, holidays, or other promotion because it allows you to craft a highly relevant and persuasive message that aligns perfectly with your ad campaign by focusing on a specific offer or promoting and eliminating distractions. Landing pages increase the chances of visitors converting into customers because they create a seamless journey from the ad to the landing page, enhancing the effectiveness of your paid advertising efforts. Now that we understand the potential of landing page, let's discuss how to bring them to life on your Shopify store. There are two ways you can build a Shopify store landing page. The first is custom coding the page. This option is for advanced businesses and it is more expensive if you want to hire a developer for it. The second option is utilizing user-friendly Shopify apps available on the Shopify App Store to save time, money, and energy. I highly recommend using Shopify apps like Debutify, Pagefly, GenPages. These apps offer many customization options, stunning templates, and user-friendly interfaces. With just a few clicks, you can create visually appealing and high-converting landing pages that align perfectly with your brand. Mastering Shopify page can be a game changer for your e-commerce success by leveraging these purpose-built pages. You will witness your conversion rates increase than ever before. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more e-commerce insights. If you would like to create your landing page right now, I have added a framework you can use to build your own landing page. Check the link in the description. This framework shows you how to structure your landing page for maximum conversion. Check the link in the description. If you would like my help with creating a high converting Shopify landing page, feel free to contact me. Link is in the description. Thank you so much for joining me today. Your support means the world to me. Now go out there and create those captivating Shopify pages that will supercharge your e-commerce conversion.